Good morning, girls. Have you all learned the formulas and identities? Please see that, children, that you learn the formulas by heart. You should know the expansion formulas correctly so that your task of doing the sums will be easy. If you do not learn the formulas, children, you might find it difficult to follow the topic. So the first thing is, all of you must learn the 8 formulas expansion of the identities thoroughly. In today's class, children, since we have learned the expansion, we are going to do the reverse thing. The opposite is factorization. Factorization. Yes, you are given the expansion, you will be writing the factors of it. Factorization. The first question for you is factorize the following. Factorize the following. Factorize the following. First question, children. 12x squared plus 7x plus 1. 12x squared plus 7x plus 1. The method is, children, the first term coefficient into the last term should be multiplied to get the product. 12 into 1, 12. And the middle term stands for the sum. 12 into 1, first term into last term. And sum is 7. Write all the factors of 12. 1 into 12, go in increasing order. 2 into 6, 3 into 4. Which pair will give you 7? 3 plus 4. That is equal to 12x squared plus 4x plus 3x plus 1. In 12 and 4, common factor 4. X square and x, common factor x. 4 divides 12 3 times. I think all of you know how to take the common factor, children. 4 divides 12 3 times. X square by x, apply the laws of exponents. A to the power of m divided by a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m minus n. So you have 3x. And what is 4x divided by 4x, children? 1. In the third and the fourth term, nothing is common, so 1 is common. Your common factor is 3x plus 1 into 4x plus 1. 3x plus 1 into 4x plus 1. Second bit, children, 6x squared minus 5x minus 6. The same method, children. Your product. What is your product? Can you guess? 6 into 6. 36. For product, you need not worry about the sign. But for the sum, sign is very important, children. Minus 5. 1 into 36. 2 into 18. 3 into 12. 4 into 9. Which pair will give you minus 5? 6x squared minus 9x plus 4x minus 6. 6 and 9 common, 3. X squared and x common, x. 3 divides 6, 2 times. X squared divided by x, x. 3 divides 9, 3 times. And x is common. If you are getting confused, do it by the sign. 6x squared by 3x, 3 divides 6 2 times, x squared by x is x. And what is minus 9x divided by 3x? 3 divides 9 3 times. 4 and 6 common, children, 2. 2 divides 4 2 times. 2 divides 6, how many times? 3 times. Your common factor is 2x minus 3 into 3x plus 2. Third bit, children, 4x square minus x minus 5. Product and sum. Your product. What is the product? 4 into 5, 20. Sum is minus 1. 1 into 20, 2 into 10. 3 does not divide. 4 into 5, minus 5 plus 4. 4x square plus 4x minus 5x minus 5. You can easily find out your common factor. 4 is common. In x square and x common term, children, x. What is 4x squared divided by 4x, children? X squared by x is equal to x. And what is 4x divided by 4x? 1. Minus 5x minus 5. Minus 5 is common. What is minus 5x divided by 5, children? Yes, minus 5x divided by minus 5 is x. And minus 5 divided by minus 5 is 1. Your common factor is x plus 1 into 4x minus 5. I hope you have followed, girls. Now, we are going to factorization. In the last class, children, you have learned expansion. Expansion opposite is factorization. I gave left side, you wrote right side. Now, the first factorization identity is what you know, children? X squared plus 2xy plus y squared is equal to x squared plus 2xy plus y squared is equal to x plus y the whole square. Before what you learned? X plus y the whole square is equal to x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. Now I gave the right side, you wrote the left side. Second one, x squared minus 2xy plus y squared is equal to x minus y the whole square. Third one, x squared minus y squared is equal to x plus y into. Are you able to follow, girls? X squared plus 2xy plus y squared is equal to x plus y the whole square. Second one, x squared minus 2xy plus y squared is equal to x minus y the whole square. Third one, x squared minus y squared is equal to x plus y into x minus y. We shall do some sums, children, based on this factorization. The question is, children, factorize the following. Factorize the following. Factorize the following. First one. Sixteen x squared minus 121 y squared. 16 x squared minus 121 y squared. The first term as a square. 4x the whole square. 121 y squared. 11y the whole square. Do you know the expansion? I told you, no, children. When the question is in x and y, write your formulas in the terms of a and b. A squared minus b squared. F means factors. It is a plus b into a minus b. A squared minus b squared factors is equal to a plus b into a minus b. A is equal to 4x. B is equal to 11y. So what is 16x squared minus 121y squared? First factor, a plus b, 4x plus 11y. Second factor, a minus b, 4x minus 11y is your answer. A plus b into a minus b, 4x plus 11y into 4x minus 11y. Second question, children. 9x squared plus 30xy plus 25y squared. The first term as a square. 3x the whole square. And if you write your last term as a square, children, 25y square can be written as what? 5y the whole square. A the whole square plus b the whole square. So what are your guesses for the middle term, children? 2ab, 2 into 3x into 5y. This is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. A square plus 2ab plus b square factors is equal to what, children? It is a plus b the whole square. Therefore, 9x square plus 30xy plus 25y square is equal to 3x plus 5y the whole square. The first term as a square, 7x the whole square. The last term as a square, 9y the whole square. If you know the first and the last, children, you can write your middle term minus 2ab. A square minus 2ab plus b square factors is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square is equal to a minus b the whole square. Therefore, 49x square minus 126xy plus 81y square is equal to the fourth factorization is x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx is equal to, yes children, x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx is equal to x plus y plus z the whole square. Factorize the following. Factorize the following. Factorize the following. Factorize the following. 9a square plus 16b square plus 25c square minus 24ab minus 40bc plus 30ac. Factorize 9a square plus 16b square plus 25c square minus 24ab minus 40bc plus 30ac. You should get your question in the form of x squared plus y squared plus z squared plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. 9a squared as a term, children. 3a the whole square. Now observe carefully, children. Minus 24ab minus 40bc are both negative. But in this negative terms, which is the common unknown? B is common. So B will be negative. What is B? Negative. Minus 4b the whole square. I shall repeat, children. These two terms are negative. But in this negative terms, which is the common variable here? B. So B will be negative. Minus 4b the whole square, 25c square as a square term. We are going to write in this form, children. A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab, a value 3a, b value minus 4b plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2bc plus 2ca. You got this form, children. X square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. 3a the whole square plus minus 4b the whole square plus 5c the whole square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Write your formula, children. Without the formula, please do not do the sums. 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Factorization is equal to x plus y plus z the whole square. Therefore, 9a square plus 16b square plus 25c square minus 24ab minus 40bc plus 30ac is equal to a is what? 3a. Yes. X is what? 3a. Y is what? Minus 4b. And z is what? Plus 5c. The whole square. X is equal to 3a. Y is equal to minus 4b. Z is equal to 5c. 2x square plus y square plus 8z square plus 8z square plus 2 root 2 xy minus 4 root 2 yz minus 8 xz. Remember, children, your first 3 terms, if you write at the square, automatically you will get 2xy, 2yz, 2zx. You should get first term as a square, second term as a square, third term as a square, automatically you can write 2xy, 2yz, 2zx. 2x square, don't get confused. All of you know what is 2. Root 2 into root 2. What is 2? Root 2 into root 2. 3. Root 3 into root 3. 7. Root 7 into root 7. So, it is root 2x the whole square. Y square. Y the whole square. Now coming to 8 children. 8z square. You should get 8 as a square number. What is 8? Can you write 2 into 4? What is 8? 2 into 4 z square. Already 4 is a perfect square, children. 4 is a perfect square. How do you write 2? How do you write 2, girls, as a square number? How do you write 2? Root 2 the whole square. Root 2 the whole square. And 4 children, 2 the whole square. How do we write? 8z square. Don't get confused. 2 into 4. 2 as a square number. Root 2 into root 2. Root 2 the whole square. 4 as a square number. 2 the whole square into z square. So when you rearrange, children, your third term will be 2 root 2z square. Therefore, what is the first term? As a square, root 2x the whole square. Second term, y the whole square. Which terms are negative? Last two terms. In these last two terms, what is the common variable? Z. So your z term is negative. A square plus b square plus c square, a square x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy. What is x value, children? X is equal to root 2x into y. 2xy plus 2yz. 2 into y minus 2 root 2z plus 2zx minus 2 root 2z into root 2x. Therefore, x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx factor is equal to x plus y plus z the whole square. Therefore, 2x square plus y square plus 8z square plus 2 root 2xy minus 4 root 2yz minus 8xz is equal to, what is the first term, children? X is equal to root 2x plus y minus 2 root 2z Don't get confused, children. 2x square plus y square plus 8z square plus 2 root 2xy minus 4 root 2yz minus 8xz. When you write the first three terms as perfect squares, children, automatically you can write the last three terms. 2. How do you write 2 as a perfect square? Root 2 into root 2, 3. Root 3 into root 3, 5. Root 5 into root 5. So 2x square means root 2x the whole square. Y square, y the whole square. Now coming to 8. 8 is the product of 2 into 4z square. 2 as a perfect square. Root 2 the whole square. Square root of 4. 4 as a square number. 2 the whole square. Z square. Z the whole square. Collect all your terms, children. 2 root 2z the whole square. When you observe in the question, children, the last two terms are negative, and which is the common variable here? Z. So Z should be negative. X positive, Y negative, X positive, Y positive, Z negative. Root 2x the whole square plus y the whole square plus minus 2 root 2z the whole square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca is equal to a plus b plus c the whole square. I hope you have followed, children. I think you can do the sums on your own. I'm writing the homework, girls. Homework. Page number 44 for all. Page number 48 3 all. 3 all. 5 all.